Get into a car with value. 2018 Ford Edge. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Get into a mid-size crossover that knows how to make your life easier. This sleek Edge is loaded with powerful performance, smart tech, and features that optimize comfort and convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Feel relaxed and confident when you're behind the wheel of the Edge. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.